Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an account in Coverstar app. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch the Coverstar app, come to the bottom right and click on your profile icon, and then here you'll be redirected to this page where you just need to go ahead and click on sign up to join the Coverstar community. So click on that and you can either continue with Google or continue with email. I'll choose Google as our option right here, and then they'll go ahead and prompt you to go ahead and come to this page where you'll need to go ahead and choose your Google account. So I'll go ahead and choose this Google account right here, and we are going to proceed with creating our account. So I've tapped on that account, and then we need to allow right here permission. So click here on continue, and they'll be able to access that information about you. So as you can see, we are now being redirected, and now you just go ahead and create your username and select your birth date right here. Then you can join. And that is all you have to do. As you can see, we have clicked to join, and we have our account right here. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.